What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Brock with Morse Motorsports. Today we're going to be putting a ghost cam on my Camaro. It's a 3.8 liter V6 of 1997. Why are we doing a ghost cam? Mainly because of the pandemic. I'm very bored. I'm out of work. And right now I just have nothing better to do. So we're going to take a look at doing that today, and I'm going to show you how it turns out. Already been working on it for a little bit. Got a bunch of different stuff that we're going to be changing here. Alright, so let's get this little guy here plugged in. Alright, so we just loaded the tune on. It's going to do everything else normally until it reaches operating temp. So we're going to have to sit here a minute, wait till it gets up in temperature, and then when it starts loping, I'll show you what the result's like.